Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Xbox error code 0x80072726 0x00000000 x90100005. The error reads, "There was a problem with the update. You need this update to use your console, but something went wrong." Before we proceed, I want to let you know that this is my AI avatar, and some of the visuals in the video are also generated using AI. However, all the information shared has been manually researched by me. As per our research, the error comes when players try to update their Xbox console. Many users reported that the update fails and shows this error code, preventing them from continuing. According to our research, this error is most likely related to temporary system glitches, conflicts with external storage devices, or Xbox Live Service issues. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to shut down your Xbox console and remove it from the power source. Then wait for around 5 minutes, then restart your console and check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, then remove any new external cards or drives connected to your console and try doing the update without them. Once done, check for the error again. At last, if you still get the error, then check if Xbox Live services are down. To do this, go to support.xbox.com/n-us/n/Xbox Live status. If the services are down, wait for some time and then try again to check if this resolves the error. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.